How's it going today, guys? Tristan Water here, and it is now time to pick the winner for the contest. But before we do pick the winner, I want to say thank you all so much for the recent subscribes, views, comments. I mean, you all have been blowing up the channel, and you all have been absolutely loving the new wheel setup on the K1500. I can't be any more grateful for y'all's messages and comments and stuff like that, guys. It's been unreal, the support I've gotten lately. Trust me, this is not the end of the build. A lot of more things are coming to the K1500. So anyway, so what the giveaway is, if you don't know what it's about, even if you commented, was you had to comment on the videos and subscribe to the channel for the past basically 2 weeks-ish, 2.5 weeks. The contest ended last Friday's video, and what it is when I draw the name, on the 2 websites that are down in the description, you can't pick your own websites. It has to be the 2 websites I designate down in the description, would be Amazon or realtruck.com. You can pick out a part with tax and shipping. May I remind you, tax and shipping including up to $100 for your truck, and you send it to me. I'll pay for it, ship it to my house, make sure everything's good to go, then ship it out to you. That's me as a way of giving back to you all. Because, you know, I've done gift cards in the past, I've done a bunch of other stuff like that. But this allows me to really help you out with your build. Because I know what it's like trying to start on a build and, you don't know where to start and blah, blah, blah. I mean, it's just a pain. So, that being said, this is how I can help you all start with your build. So I picked 3 names from basically the past 2 weeks or so. So I got like 20-something, 30-something names in the hat. I've got the infamous Rudy's Diesel hat that I've done a lot of drawings out of. I've done a lot of drawings out of this one. So yeah, I am very excited to help you all start with your build. If you don't have a truck though or anything like that, we can probably work something out. Just message me. You do have once this video goes live, whoever wins has 24 hours on the dot. So if this video, say, goes live at 9 p.m., you have until Tuesday at 9 p.m. to answer. If it's 9:01, you don't get it. I'm going to draw a new name. It's 24 hours you had to respond to me by either email, YouTube message, or Instagram message. I prefer Instagram message if y'all can. That's just me, though. So, without further ado, we will draw a name. Okay, make sure I mix them up really good. Add that suspense. Let's see what we got here. 713 Skywalker. 713 Skywalker. You have won the giveaway. If you have won, please message me within 24 hours of seeing this video. If you don't, then you don't win the giveaway. But I want to say thank you all so much for participating in the giveaway, guys. It's been awesome. A lot of stuff coming up. Make sure you check out Wednesday's video, because I'm going to be talking about Rod Run and finalizing my plans for Rod Run. So make sure you check out that video. There's a lot of information about that. It's going to be an awesome event, guys. But like I said, I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. All of you, have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.